If you want your emails to stand out and drive real action, like getting people to click a link, sign up, or visit your website, then adding a button inside Gmail is a total game changer. But here's the problem. Gmail doesn't have a built-in button feature. So in this tutorial, I'll show you a simple, safe, and 100% working method to add clickable buttons in Gmail, even if you're not a designer. Let's get started. Most people send emails that get ignored because they look boring, but a clean call to action button like Learn More, Book Now, or Sign Up grabs attention instantly and boosts click-through rates. And no, you don't need any coding to do this. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Gmail button. From the results, look for the extension called Gmail button by CloudHQ. This is a trusted tool that lets you insert custom buttons directly into Gmail. Once you've found it, click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear. Hit Add Extension to confirm. After a few seconds, the extension will be installed. You might be asked to log in with your Google account and allow some permissions. Just click Allow so it can integrate with your Gmail. Great, installation is done. Now go to gmail.com and click Compose to start a new email. At the bottom of the email formatting bar, where you normally see options like attachments and emojis, you'll now see a new icon called Insert Button. That's the tool we just installed. Click on Insert Button and you'll see a few options pop up. Select Button. Now a small settings box will open where you can customize your button. Here's where it gets interesting. You can now edit the display text. For example, type Learn More, Shop Now, or Download. Add a link. This is important. Paste the URL you want people to visit. Maybe your website, a product page, Google form, or YouTube video. Choose a button style. You can adjust the color, shape, and size so it matches your brand or purpose. Align the button left, center, or right based on your email layout. Once you're happy with the design, click Insert. Boom! You now have a professional, clickable button inside your Gmail email. Send it like a normal email, and everyone who receives it will see a clean call to action button they can click instantly. This is perfect for business owners, freelancers, affiliate marketers, educators, or literally anyone who wants to get more engagement from email. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple digital hacks that actually work. Drop a comment if you want a follow-up tutorial on adding multiple buttons, tracking clicks, or HTML button designs in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.